हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ एजुकेशनल डिग्रीज के बारे में, जो कि आप सभी को पता होनी चाहिए। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तो जल्दी करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको और भी अपडेट्स मिलते रहे। और वीडियो को शुरू से एंड तक जरूर देखिए। BCA बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस, BBA बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, BBM बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट, MCA मास्टर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, MBA मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, BSc बैचलर ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, BA बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, BE बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, MEd मास्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन, BSc बैचलर ऑफ साइंस, BTech बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, BJ बैचलर ऑफ जर्नलिज्म, MSc AG मास्टर ऑफ साइंस इन एग्रीकल्चर, MD डॉक्टर ऑफ मेडिसिन, MS मास्टर ऑफ साइंस, DLITT डॉक्टर ऑफ लिटरेचर, डॉक्टर ऑफ लेटर्स, B Pharma बैचलर ऑफ फार्मेसी, AICTE ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल फॉर टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, IIT इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, BHMS बैचलर ऑफ होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी, CGPA cumulative grade point average, CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, ICSE Indian Certificate of Secondary Education, PUC Pre-University Course, SSC Secondary School Certificate, IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, SSLC Secondary School Leaving Certificate, NIIT National Institute of Information Technology, IIM Indian Institute of Management, BCJ Bachelor of Communication and Journalism, BDS Bachelor of Dental Surgery, AIIMS All India Institute of Medical Science, AMIE Associate Member of the Institution of Engineers, MME Mining Machinery Engineering, NIT National Institute of Technology, PDU Professional Development Unit, BSM Bachelor of Sports Management, BMC Bachelor of Mass Communication, DTE Directorate of Technical Education, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, LLB Bachelor of Laws, FPT Food Processing Technology, BAMS Bachelor in Ayurvedic Medical Science, BEMS Bachelor of Electro-Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery, BME Biomedical Engineering, BIO Biotechnology, MSCIT Master of Science in Information Technology, IPE Industrial Production Engineering, MDU Maharishi Dayanand University, PGDCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application, PGDM Postgraduate Diploma in Management, PGT Postgraduate Teacher, BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management, BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy, EEE Electrical and Electronic Engineering, ECM Electronics and Computer Engineering, EIE Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, CSE Computer Science and Engineering, CPE Chemical Petro Engineering, CHE Chemical Engineering, IPA International Phonetic Alphabet, HSC Higher Secondary Certificate, CCE Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation, TGT Trained Graduate Teacher, DOE DEACC, Department of Electronics and Accreditation of Computer Course. SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. RTI, Right to Information. RGPV, राजीव गांधी प्रौद्योगिकी विश्वविद्यालय. BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. BHMCT, Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. DR, Dr. BITS, Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences. BSI, Botanical Survey of India. CIET, Central Institute of Educational Technology. CMERI, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. CSDS, Center for the Study of Developing Societies. HESI, Health Education System Incorporated. IAMR, Institute of Advanced Management and Research. IASRI, Indian Agriculture Statistic Research Institute. IGNCA, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts. ISC, Indian School Certificate. KBE, Knowledge Based Engineering. DCA, Diploma in Computer Application. GPA, Grade Point Average. BSc AG, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts. MS, Master of Surgery. IETE, Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. BM, Bachelor of Music. MA, Master of Arts. AME, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. NID, National Institute of Design. CCDP, CISCO, KISCO, Certified Design Professional. EDCIL, Educational Consultants India Limited. INST, Institute of Nanoscience and Technology. BFSC, Bachelor of Fisheries Science. LLM, Master of Laws. ME, Master of Engineering. PRT, Primary Teacher. JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University. CEERI, Central Electronic Engineer Research Institute. ETC, Electronics and Telecommunication. DARE, Drug Abuse Resistance Education. Master of Music. PTI, Physical Training Instructor. CAB, Commercial Agriculture and Business. ISI, Indian Statistical Institute. ARWU, Academic Ranking of World Universities. BPhil, Bachelor of Philosophy. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. CGIAR, Consultative Group on International Agriculture Research. MCOM, Master of Commerce. PESB, Public Enterprises Selection Board. FTII, Film and Television Institute of India. LKG, Lower Kindergarten. BLS, Bachelor of Library Science. BArch, Bachelor of Architecture. GGSI PU, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. CCC, Course on Computer Concept. CV, Curriculum Vitae. IIIT, Indian Institute of Information Technology. BVS, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. BASLP, Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. SSA, Sarva Siksha Abhiyan. IISER, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. CAZRI, Central Arid Zone Research Institute. ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. DSc, Doctor of Science. BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. CPHERI, Central Public Health Engineering Research Institute. NEERI, National Environment Engineering Research Institute. NLU, National Law University. CECRI, Central Electrochemical Research Institute. BED, Bachelor of Education. CSSRI, Central Soil Salinity Research Institute. ISI, Institute for Scientific Information. DST, Department of Science and Technology. FORE, Foundation for Organizational Research and Education. MTech, Master of Technology. ACED, Australian Council for Educational Research. MJ, Master of Journalism. MArch, Master of Agriculture. TSA, Thinking Skill Assessment. SE, Systems Engineering. IPCC, Integrated Professional Competence Course. BPE, Bachelor of Physical Education. CSIS, Center for Strategic and International Studies. IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management. SERB, Science and Engineering Research Board. NITS, National Institute of Training for Standardization. DASA, Direct Admission of Student Abroad. INSA, Indian National Science Academy. IFI, International Financial Institutions. EFA, Education for All. DLO, Diploma in Ornithology. CSM, CRI, Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute. NDTF, Nature Technical Training Foundation. CERC, Consumer Education and Research Center. HPU, Himachal Pradesh University. CLAWS, Center for Land Welfare Studies. NISTADS, National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies. ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. DMRT, Diploma in Medical Radiology Technology. DBT, Department of Biotechnology. IGNU, IGNU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. GSI, Geological Survey of India. JIPMER, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. CRIDA, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture. NIEPA, National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration. NCBE, National Conference of Bar Examiners. IIAS, National Institute of Advanced Study. ERNET, Educational and Research Network. NCCS, National Center for Cell Science. SHIHER, Sri Ramchandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. UCEK, University College of Engineering, Kanchipuram. VMRF, Vinayak Missions Research Foundation. MAMC, Maulana Azad Medical College. CMC, Christian Medical College. GSMC, Seth Gordhans Sundardas Medical College. KEM, King Edward Medical Memorial Hospital. PIMS, Pondicherry Institute of Medical Science. SVM CHRC, Sri Venkateshwara Medical College Hospital and Research Center. MAHER, Meenakshi Academy of Higher Education and Research. DNB, Diploma in National Board. GIAN, Global Initiative of Academic Networks. JAIIB, Junior Associate of the Indian Institute of Bankers. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College. MGMCRI, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute. COMEDK, Consortium of Medical Engineering and Dental Colleges of Karnataka. NEP, National Education Policy. DPEP National Primary Education Program, TIFR Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, NCTE National Council for Teacher Education, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, IBSE Indian Board of Science Education, NIST National Institute of Standard and Technology, MIT Manipal Institute of Technology, IGIDS Indira Gandhi Institute of Dental Sciences, IIP Indian Institute of Packaging, CIHTS Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, MAKAIS Maulana Abdul Azad Institute of Asian Studies, DSSC Defense Service Staff College, IIFM Indian Institute of Forest Management, NISM Indian National Institute of Securities Markets, IIFPT Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, NIFTEM National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, CTSA Central Tibetan School Administration, DEB Distance Education Bureau, LBSNAA Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, JKSBSE Jammu and Kashmir State Board of School Education, HPBOSE Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education, CGBSE Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education, PSEB Punjab School Education Board, HBSE Haryana Board of School Education, CISCE Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, NIOS National Institute of Open Learning, BSEB Bihar School Examination Board, MSBS HSC Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Education, WBBSE West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, WBCHSE West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, WBBPE West Bengal Board of Primary Education, MBPSE Madhya Pradesh Board of Secondary Education, WBBME West Bengal Board of Madras Education, WBSCTE West Bengal State Council of Technical Education, WBSCT and VE and SD West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Educational and Skill Development, JAC Jharkhand Academic Council, TBSIE Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education, UBSC Uttarakhand Board of School Education, NBSE Nagaland Board of School Education, SCERT State Council of Educational Research and Training, TBSE Tripura Board of Secondary Education, MBOSE मेघालय बोर्ड ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन। थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है।